Hello everyone, so it is currently 8:38 and we're heading out the door and we're going to be going to Shuri Castle right now.
Don't worry, you guys can enough for get out.
Look, are these just the same packaging? We've made it to Shuri Castle and we're gonna just walk the grounds now. So these are the stairs to the castle. She's mom.
Yeah, they got cut off.
Yeah. This is the view. So we've made it to the Shurijo. It's been 2 years and last time I was here it was under renovation.
No, during ceremonies, you guys took a picture of that little display in the beginning.
So this is the crown where the emperor sat. This is the remnants of Shuri Castle's State Hall. It's the first floor, I think. We're going up the stairs for this view of the whole city. So this is the end of the tour. The walkway back to the bus.
To keep the memorial going if you guys want. Come over here to your left.
We're at the Himeyuri Memorial right now. And this is also the Memorial Park. Now we're gonna go across the street for lunch.
These 2 rows, that 2 rows over there.
This is our lunch after the tour. We just got to this Awamori place called Chuko, I think. Looks like this. Looks like this. And we're gonna get a tour in here.
So right here in this area is where they aged the awamori for at least 3 years.
So next we're going to the place where they make the awamori. They also make their own pottery. So what I found out is that this building right here is the second oldest building, and I think not oldest but biggest, after Shuri Castle. We're in the Awamori place and there's like so many things you can sample. So you're able to just walk around and sample all of the different awamoris. This dog, he's just standing there on the motorbike. So we went back to the hotel and we're gonna go shopping now. We're on the street, and we're gonna go buy maybe I think we're buying kimono, so I will show you when I get there. But here's the street of Kokusaidori. Like the open market area. Okay, so it's kind of narrow. It kind of reminds me of like swap meet, but here there's like different alleyways that open up. But we're looking for the kimono one, so hopefully we find it. So my mom just bought me a white two-piece kimono, and the lady gave me the obi for service and this cute rope thing. I'll show you a picture right after this one, but they're so nice. I think after this, every year I'm gonna come when I come to Okinawa, I'm gonna just come here and buy a kimono. They're so nice. They're like the cutest old ladies. Wow, this area is a mood. It's just like. So we're walking back from Kokusai Gori, and we're going home with the kimono, and it's so busy. We're going in for dinner at this place called Hanagasa. It's off the main place.